Ladies and gentlemen, pardon me for my absence, but hopefully it doesn't continue. Check out what came in the mail. And this is for all you Grand Theft Auto gamers out there. Is it there? Oh, yes! Grand Theft Auto 5. Who else out there has picked up a copy? Leave your comments below if you're part of the Grand Theft Auto 5 team here. I'm so excited. I was pretty upset when this thing was delayed way back in the spring, but it's finally here. Unfortunately at the end of summer. But we're going to get ready to pop this in and play. Hopefully I'll still be around. Shut up, Gizmo. Gizmo, I hope you know how to feed yourself because I'm going to be busy for the next, I don't know, few weeks. Ciao for now.